My name is Dorte Bekker-Jensen. I work at Evosep Biosystems in the application development team.
And in 60 seconds, can you please tell us a little bit about the research that you're working on?
So we're working to enable fast and standardized methods for various applications with high-throughput clinical samples down to single-cell analysis with ultra-high sensitivity.
And what instruments are you currently working with?
We work with a range of instruments and different vendors to really position how fast and standardized gradients can give a lot of very nice data.
And what columns are you working with?
So for our high sensitivity methods, which are called Whisper, which is specifically developed towards single-cell proteomics, we work with the IonOpticks Aurora Elite columns and the Aurora Rapid column for our methods with both longer separation methods and also very fast methods.
How did you find the performance of our columns?
So we specifically recommend the IonOpticks columns for our Whisper methods because the performance is really excellent. We get really sharp peaks, and that has really given the performance a boost.
How have our columns helped accelerate your research?
I think the fact that we're using now a pull column emitter for these Whisper methods, which work at very low flow rate, 100 nanoliter per minute, where it is a bit more tedious to get a really nice connection. The pulled emitter is a very elegant solution in this flow rate specifically.
Anything else that you'd like to add?
I'd like to add that I'm quite excited about the performance the columns gives for the Whisper methods, and we really heard from a lot of our customers that they love this combination with this high sensitivity work with the columns. At this conference, we're presenting our latest work on the Whisper methods, which are specifically developed for single-cell proteomics. So we have three methods, and for the 40 SPD and 20 SPD Whisper methods, we are recommending the IonOpticks column, which provides really slim and nice reproducible peaks with full-width half-max around 5 seconds from a 5 nanogram load, and we have very nice reproducible retention times, despite the flow rate being low at around 100 nanogram per minute. And with the dilution series here acquired with the 40 SPD and a tips-top SCP instrument, we see really nice performance with close to 7,500 proteins identified with a 32 nanogram load. And in the low range, equivalent to single-cell level, we are at around 2,000 proteins. And we see here that we have a very nice distribution of precursors across the gradient at these different flow rates. We also speeded up the Whisper workflow with an 80 SPD method, where we are recommending the IonOpticks Aurora Rapid column, a 5 centimeter column, where we also see excellent coverage despite the faster method. But most impressively is the latest data we acquired on actual single cells, where we're using HeLa cells, isolated, sorted and digested with the Salon-1 platform. By using an Evosep prototype chip, we can have more reproducible transfer of the cells, as increasing the sensitivity in the sample transferring is quite essential in single-cell proteomics. And this leaves us with very robust identification levels of 3,500 proteins across 96 cells. And really essential is also that the cells store very efficiently on the Evosep. So this data set was acquired over 2.5 days, and I hope you can appreciate that there's no decline in performance over time. And these cells were sorted in different sizes, and we are able to see that they separate really nice based on the size, and we also see different proteins regulated across the different sizes.